All right. A learning we will go. A learning we will go. All right. So we know what this is. I know what this is. Now let's look at these crazy instructions.
I'm doing the first part, number two. Well, I got number two. Now I'm going to so I got the answer. Did I send you the worksheet that already had had one answer in it? Because that's all I got. So number two is 9.
I'm not seeing anything on this worksheet.
Oh, okay. Then
This
I didn't send you
worksheet.
the one. I sent you the blank one then.
Now, do we have to change these labels in SPSS? These things?
There, that step comes afterwards.
All right. I'm just going to follow your lead.
Okay. So what I'm doing now is I went into transform, compute variable.
Here, why don't you share the screen?
Okay.
Show me.
Okay.
All right. Transform compute variable.
So I went there. I entered in item 1.
That's what you named it? No.
Yeah, in that target variable box.
I'm not seeing that anywhere.
At the upper left-hand corner. If you did you go under compute variable?
Hold on. So compute variable, transform, compute variable. Okay, so that's what you named it, right? Ritem.
Mm-hmm.
RITEM. Is it 1? In the target box, Ritem 1. Got it. So Ritem 1. Good. Yeah, there you go. In the numeric expression box.
Oh, you sound very low.
Do I?
Your volume went down.
Hold on. My grandkids get in here and play with everything, so make sure the microphone is still working. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you, but the volume's really low.
Dang it. Okay, hold on. It could be my internet as well, so
Good.
what am I doing? I'm going to go to.
Then you typed in number 1 in the numeric expression.
Yeah, no, I was checking them. I'm going to check my microphone, make sure it is microphone. Microphone. Road podcast. There it is. Okay, what is the
Because I can hear you now.
Same as always?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, it has to be the internet. It goes in and out around here all the
Oh, gotcha.
All right, so okay. In the numeric expression box, type in the number 1.
Mm-hmm.
And okay, we did. Click the if button.
To the lower left.
If. Oh, if. There we go. Wow, this is cool. All right, so if.
Then we'll check off include in case, if case satisfies conditions.
All right, click the radio button if case satisfies conditions.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Include if case. So got it.
And then we'll type in item 1.
Right. Item 1 equals 2, right?
Mm-hmm. Then click continue.
You were coding here, young lady. This is coding.
Oh, is that what this is?
Yes. This is heavy duty coding. And okay, you're telling the new variable named item that when you'll have a value 1 if the test taker correctly chose B. Because B is 2 in the data set. I got it. So a 1's going to mean they got it right.
Mm-hmm.
And everything else is going to be a 0. That means they got it wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
Do not click OK.
Because we're going to have to do something. Oh, okay.
All right. You need to have SPC repeat the grading for item 2 through 18.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So, which is faster to accomplish by copying, pasting code in the syntax editor window. All right, so click paste. That's going to bring it up. There's our. Can you see what I'm saying?
Here.
Who's got the screen? Me or you?
Me. Let me move it over.
All right, so here we'll just talk it out. You look at yours, I'll look at mine.
Okay,
And
so
you let me know if I get stuck, and I will let you know if I get stuck. How's that?
I just copied that if line and then copied it and pasted it 17 times.
All right. So 17 times, right? Do we have to change the number every time?
We'll do it afterwards. After
Got
we have a total of 18.
Got it. Before execute.
Uh-huh.
1,
So
2.
execute will be at the bottom.
Got it.
Let's see.
1, 2. I count to 18, huh?
Yes.
That's not fair. All right, so it starts at 3, ends at 16. 16 minus 3 is 13, plus 1 is 14, so I need 4 more. That should be 18. So 18, or so 20 minus 3, 17 plus 1 is 18. Got it. Okay, now what?
So the item, we'll want to change those so they match up to whatever's in the 18 questions. So we'll label it item 1 through 18.
So okay, I got it right here. So
Not the item, but the item.
So highlight. So okay. So we did part 6. Then code a variable called. Oh yes. Okay. Now click at it. We already did that. No. We already we did that until they're 18 rows. Starting in a second if item 1 equals 2.
Right.
Change to trailing numbers to item on each line so they can so it's going to be 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so you're changing the number that's right next to item. You're changing that, not the number that's after the equal sign.
So it's going to say, so the second one is going to say item 2 equals 2.
Right.
Item 1 equals 1.
Mm-hmm. Because we'll go back
all the way down.
Change them.
Wow.
It's crazy.
This is Dr. Mattson again.
Yeah.
I've never seen this before. This will be an interesting thing. That's why I'm making a video of it so I can. Who knows? Other teachers might start doing this. God, I hope not.
It's a lot.
It is a lot. But it might be actually really helpful. I mean, this could be a new way of item, read item, or test. What is it? Yeah.
So apparently
That's the test. Yeah, it might be one of those. So
on our campus, I guess this is kind of the way to do it. Well, because he taught everybody.
well, looks pretty complex, but if he's got all the directions, right? Step by step.
And then we'll do the same thing for write 'em. So we'll change those numbers before the equal sign to
Got it. Okay. Got it. It's sprinkled down here in San Diego.
we just had rain yesterday and last night, and now it's nice and sunny and maybe a little moist out.
I think we get the same we get the same systems most of the time.
Mm-hmm. I thought it didn't rain in Southern California. That's what Tony said.
Yeah, maybe once a year. Not really. Our wet season normally is from like November to January, but it hardly rained at all this year. Like the third time it's rained. Back in another dry season, I guess.
Yeah.
It gets really bad for the fire season when everything's really, really dry. We get those Santa Ana winds that blow like 50 miles an hour. All it takes is one little fire to turn into a giant fire.
And it's all over.
Oh yeah. Like 2 months after I started working at Alliant back in 2001, there was a fire and it burned. It was a big one and it burned down all kinds of houses and it went right up to the campus of Alliant. But it only burned one little trailer. That was it, just one.
Oh, got lucky.
Yep. Because I remember looking at it on the Sunday going, all right, I'm out of a job.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, God. But no, it was a miracle.
Okay, so now we're down to having to change the number after the equal sign on the item.
So item 1 equals.
So if we go back to the answer key for the ETP, it has all the letters and the letters. So item 1 equals, since the answer was B, it'll stay 2. Number 2, item 2 equals 1.
Wait a minute. You just confused the heck out of me. All right. So okay. So
I scrolled up on the worksheet to where the answer key is.
All right. Yep. I'm seeing it.
So what I'm doing is I'm changing the number that comes after the item number.
So you're going to change that 2 to a 4.
No. So where it says pre-trip, it says 1B, 2A. So a B is equal to a 2.
Yeah.
So item 1 is going to equal 2.
So that's the top row, right? Item 1 equals 2, right?
Yeah.
Got it.
We're not going to mess with the write-em part yet.
Okay. So item 2 equals
1. And then number 3 still stays as a 2.
We're going to 1 and 2 it all the way down.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay. So
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 all the way down.
And well, yeah, it looks like only 1, 2, 3, because 8 and 9 won't need to be used. It looks like nobody put more than one answer or no response.
Where are you getting this information from?
You don't see the worksheet up? I have the
worksheet.
It's the answer key for the ETP, Examiner Written Knowledge Test.
So how do you know? Okay, so there's the answers right there.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. So 1 is an A, 2 is a B, 3 is a C. All right, here I go. Cover me.
You got it.
You're good at this.
I remember some things.
No. You're good at this. This is not easy. I mean, this is not easy for me, and I've been doing this shit for 20 years.
Well, Dr. Maston, he's very creative.
I can tell. So, well, I personally, I love to be challenged. I mean, that's what mathematicians, bring it on, bring it on. Okay, so let me make sure I got the first one. So the first row, if item 1 equals 2, leave that alone. The
right.
second row, if item 2, so item 2 was an A, that should be a 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think I got it. All right, so that should be a 1. And item 3 was a B, that should be a 2. Item 4 was a C, that should be a 3. Item 5 was a C, that should be a 3.
Mm-hmm.
Item 6 was a B, that should be a 2. That one's fine. Item 7, scooch over there a little bit. Item 7 was a B.
Mm-hmm.
That's a 2. That's fine. 8 was a C. That should be a 3. 9 was a C. That's a 3. 10 was a C. That's a 3. See a big pattern here. 11 is an A. That should be a 1.
Yes.
12 is a B. That should be a 2. That's fine. 13. Where are you? 13. Hold on a second. Okay, let's get in there. So. All right, having difficulties. Please hold. Come on, you stupid computer. Move. Thank you very much. All right, so 13 was a B. That should be a 2. 14 was a C. That should be a 1. 15 is an A. Wait a minute. 14 was a C. That should be a 3, right? 14C is 3, right? 15,
yeah.
15A is 1.
Mm-hmm.
16C is 3. 17B is 2. That one's fine. 18 is a C. That should be a 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good. Now what?
Okay, so after we did that, okay, so we did the item numbers, we put in the answers. Item 1 has been changed. Okay, then we go to the top where on the toolbar it says run, not the arrow, but the toolbar where it has the word run, and then press all.
Run. All. Run. All. Bloop, 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 bloop. So what did it do? What did it do? What did it do?
Oh, you know what? We missed a step. I just realized there's a step that we were supposed to run prior to this. We're supposed to put all 18 of those items in.
Okay, so where are we? Okay.
I mean, which is fine. We can just go back and do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I didn't realize I had missed a step. Okay, so go to transform. Uh-oh. Put the SPSS window over here.
Okay. Oh, this is called a test and item data analysis. Oh. Never heard of it.
Okay, so is that under analyze? Oh gosh. Now I gotta, where's my notes? My desk is looking so crazy right now.
That's a good sign. That's a
Lots of work going on over here.
hey, looking busy, looking busy. Okay. 3 possible answers, A, B, C. Okay, we did that. So item statistics. Calculating percentages of applicants choosing each possible. Okay. Use the frequency procedure to obtain frequency of the answers chosen for each item.
Oh, goodness.
Do not get any additional statistics or chart. That one's kind of easy. Frequencies. All right, let's do that real quick. So, so we're going to go to the data set, not the syntax.
Okay, so wait a minute. So I'll go to analyze, descriptive stats, frequencies.
Yes.
And then I'm just going to carry all 18 of those. I'm going to highlight them all at one time.
That's what he wants. And then what does he want from these? Let's see.
That's a good question.
Okay, so I think he just wants the frequency distributions.
Yeah.
Okay, please delete the first table on the output, title statistics, and then print the output your name on it. Okay. Underline the correct answer choice for each item on the output using the answer key on the first page of the assignment. Okay. Put a star next to the correct answer choice.
Since we kind of skipped over this step, I noticed that all the write-ins are in there.
All the what?
How we just ran the item 1 through 11. I mean 1 through 18 with the write-in.
On the output.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So those they're in that list too, but we don't need those. You know what? Did he want? Okay.
Okay, so now what I did was I saved that syntax.
Mm-hmm.
So I could delete it from the output and then just open it up again when I'm ready.
Oh, fancy.
Yeah, man. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take that off the output.
So I'm just shifting those 18 items over into variables. I'm not like changing anything.
No, I don't think so. All he wants is the descriptives.
Yeah, because I don't.
Use the frequency, get the frequency
Okay.
of the answers chosen for each one. Okay, so let's do that. Do not get any stats or charts. Okay, I was going to ask, should we get charts? Okay, but he says no charts. So
okay, sorry.
No. So okay, that's it. Let's just right because it's already checked on the left hand side. Display frequency tables. That's what he wants.
All right.
There they are. So what do we do with these?
Okay, so it was these tables that we got the answers for that first table.
Yes.
But I already got the answers for that one, so I don't even want to waste time on it.
Right, so we already got the answer. So what does he want you to do here? He wants you to.
So we're looking to see which item was too hard. Actually, he went so fast, I didn't really catch it. But I know that he was looking at each one. Let's see.
All right. So, okay. So what he's telling you, I could read this out at the bottom. The ones that were missed too many times, he wants you to mark, call it a distractor. And doesn't show up output because it's by less than 2% of the test takers. Okay. Let's read these one at a time.
So.
All right. So the first one, we did the first one. Delete the first table on the output, title statistics, and then print out, and then put your name on it. Okay. So
Let's see.
It looks like it's this one. Delete the first table on the output. That's the first table on the output right here. The one that says statistics.
Yeah, that long one.
Yeah, that's just an N. It's a number N. Tells you how many are missing and how many are there. All right, deleting. Beep. So that one's done. Let me make sure I save this. All right, so today is 02. 2021. Got it. All right, so I did that. Okay, next.
Okay, so
Underline the correct answer choice for each item on the output using the answer key. All right, so we got to bring up that answer key again.
are you looking at the first box? I mean, the first table?
Yeah, item 1, free trip general equipment special. That should have been a B, right?
Wait a minute. Oh, you're looking at the output, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
In fact, I should transfer this to a Microsoft document. It would be easier to use, right? Easier to highlight.
Transfer what to a document?
All the frequency tables.
Mm.
I think that's what he wants you to do anyway, right? So step 2, delete the first table and then print out the SPSS output. And you never print out from SPSS because it comes out a mess. You should transfer it to a Microsoft document first. So I'm going to go do that. I'm going to go to export.
Well, I think because we're not in class, we're not having to print it.
Yeah, but he wants you to mark a bunch of shit with it.
Oh, okay. See, I hadn't paid attention to that part.
No, so okay, what he's doing is he's making you do this by hand first, and then you're going to run the code, and it's going to do it in about a nanosecond.
Oh, so I wonder if that's the thing that we ran the first time.
Yeah. Probably.
Right out of order.
Probably.
I mean, I guess we could rerun it, but I don't want to.
I don't want to either. Okay, so we're going to export it to your file.
Let me save this. Oh, you know what? There's going to be like a zillion other tests. I forgot. I totally forgot. I knew I should have saved it.
Nope. What, the syntax?
No, we're going to have to, there's like 5 more tests to run after this.
Oh boy.
5 or 6, something like that. Or no, we already ran 2, so I think there's 5 more.
Okay, we better work fast because I got an 11 o'clock coming in here.
Well, I might need another appointment.
I am here for you. But remember, Monday's holiday. Woo-hoo.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Woo, woo. Okay, so where did we just open that one? Did it work? I think it worked. Let's find you. Open.
I am going to save this. I am not going to get messed up again.
All right, I'm going to start deleting the things you do not need. All right, the rest of it fits right on there. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty?
Oh, so you're going to do it from the Word doc. You're going to highlight.
It's much easier. You want me to go ahead and send you this one?
Sure.
All right, so here it comes. What do you see? Spring. There you are, Doc.
See, I thought it was just me in class. It took me a good 30, 40 minutes just to get through to those 2 outputs.
No, it is definitely not you, girl. I mean, this is stuff I've never seen before.
Yeah, it's a lot.
It is a lot. Okay, so he wants you to highlight stuff. So let's see what he wants you to highlight. He wants you to highlight. So we did that. So number 3, underline the correct choice for each one. So let's read them off. So 1 is B. Let's go up to table 1.
Okay. So that's item 1 pre-trip.
Item 1, right? That is B. Highlight B.
So you know what? Okay, the valid percent. Okay.
And then 2 is A. 3 is B.
Uh-oh, hold on. You too fast. Because I'm doing it from the SPSS because I haven't received yours.
You sure I sent it to you like a minute ago? That's like infinity in computer time.
Yeah, maybe
Infinity.
I haven't gotten it.
Ah, shit. Let me
It
see.
was DDCosta _
Let me send it again. I don't trust it. Uh,
Okay, so
Let me resend it.
okay.
Because my internet goes down a lot.
It's okay. We were having that problem so bad earlier.
Yeah, that's from what I understand is that is the main problem with this online learning ship is when the internet goes down, and it goes down a lot.
All the time.
You know, my poor grandson, I mean, he's 7 years
Oh,
old, and sometimes they expect him to wait 5 minutes. 5 minutes is like 5 years for a 7-year-old kid. I
right.
mean, you ain't
Your
gonna stick
attention
around.
span barely goes past 2 minutes.
Yeah.
This is actually making sense to me today. I guess for me, I can't go super fast. When he's going super fast, I'm just like, okay, I shut down.
Yeah, you hit it right on the head. I mean, he's got to wait till you guys show some sign of understanding what you're doing, right? So it hasn't been that hard so far. It's very complex. I mean, there's a lot of little tiny things you got to do.
Very tedious.
Yeah, tell me when you get it.
Okay, with this one, I guess I have a question on number 3. Oh, okay, here it is. Alrighty. Oh, that's so weird. I see that it was sent twice, but I only got it the one time.
Computers hate me. They really do.
Well, hell, who knows? It could have been on my end too.
All
Xfinity.
right, I'm reading down to number 4. So we're going to highlight the right answers on all 18. Number 4 says put a star next to the correct answer choices at the output have a valid percent indicating that the item was too hard, the correct answer was less than 60%, or the item was too easy. Correct answer was by over 90%.
Okay.
So our number 2 is too easy.
Item 2, because it's 97.9%,
Actually, 90, and our first one is too easy.
because it's 68.8. So,
Oh, no, you're right. You're right. I was looking at the wrong one. You're right. No, right. So, no, that's fine. 1 is fine.
okay, so put a star next to the correct answer choices on the output that have a valid percentage that indicates, less than 68% or greater than 95%.
Right. So less than 60 or greater than 95. So number 2 is 97. So where does he want the?
Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay, I chose the wrong thing. Oopsies.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 2 stars to makes it too easy. Right.
Because he wants stars.
So I'm going to put right up there in the top. 1 star means too hard, and 2 stars means too easy. Perfect.
2 stars is too easy.
Yeah, that's the way I got it.
Okay.
Okay, boom. So number 2 got 2 stars. So let's put the answers in. Okay, so 3 is B, 68%. That's fine.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so item 1 is that one is
B is
too
in
hard.
Bob. No. Item 1 is fine. Got 68%.
Okay, so it was right to highlight that one.
Right. He wants you to highlight all the answers first.
Oh,
So
Jesus.
that's what we're going to do. We're going to do them all at the same time. We're going to highlight the answers. And if it's less than 60%, we're going to mark it. If it's greater than 95%, we're going to mark it.
So am I highlighting the 68.8% and the 1.1 on item 1?
I highlight that whole row.
Oh, you highlighted the whole row.
Right. So the first highlight is the correct answer.
Wait, the 30.1%?
Are we looking at the same one?
I'm looking at the word doc.
Okay, right. But you look at the correct answer.
Look at the first answer.
No. You look at the correct answer.
Oh.
So number 1, B is the correct answer, and their percent was 68.1.
Oh.
Or the valid percent was 68.8 because it had one missing. So don't worry about that valid.
So that one's okay then, because it's not less than 60 and it's not greater than 95.
Exactly.
Okay, so it's just fine. So do I highlight that one or no?
Yeah, he says right there, number 2. No, I'm sorry, number 3. Underline the correct answer choice for each item on the output.
Okay. Oh, okay, Richard. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling a little lost. Okay, so are we highlighting first?
Yeah, okay, so I'm going by his step, right? So number 2 is print it out, which you don't have to. But number 3, it says underline the correct answer choice for each item in the output. Now we're not underlining, we're highlighting.
Okay.
If he can't live with that, then who you?
Oh, okay. I see what you're doing here.
Good.
Good grief. Underline.
Good.
Well, you can't even see the underline.
I know. That's why we're highlighting. I don't think he's gonna have a problem with highlighting, to be honest with you.
I think as long as I actually do the homework assignment.
Yeah, he should be happy. He should be happy.
Because the way I was feeling the other night, I was not going to do this homework assignment at all.
No. We're on the right path. We'll get this done.
I was stressed.
Now, hopefully, we'll learn something too. I'm still kind of curious what he's after there, but. All right, so you ready?
I'm still getting through. I'm on item 5. I'm slowpoke.
Well, here, we're going to do them all at the same time, right?
Oh, okay, sorry, my bad.
No. Oh, no, not that way at the same time. So let's look at number 2, right?
Okay.
A was the correct answer, and its percent was 97.9, too high. So I marked it too high.
Okay, so that one was 1 star.
2 stars was too high.
Oh, okay. Oh, let me change my little answer key then.
Too high, too fly. You gotta touch the ground.
And then number 1, did we mark that one? Oh, we didn't give it any stars.
No, because the correct answer was at 68%.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
2, the correct answer was 97%. We marked it. 3, the correct answer was B, 68%. We ain't gonna do nothing to it.
Right.
4 is C. The correct answer was 61%. We almost did something to it, but we're not gonna. Because it's not less than. 5, the correct answer was C, 94.7%. Again, close but no cigar. 6 was B, 92%.
Close but no cigar.
Close but no cigar. I like cigars. I like these little cigars. Okay. 7, 79%. Good. No markings.
Leave it be. 8.
Ocho is C, 93%. No markings.
So it looks like a lot of the answers are coming up.
Just fine, right? They're right where they're supposed to be. 9 was C. C is 82%, no markings.
Oh, we're marking the valid, right? Yeah.
Yeah, either the valid percent. So if the valid percent is different than the percent, that means you're missing 1 or 2 people.
Oh.
Don't lose any sleep over that. The numbers will be so darn close, it's not even funny. So
Gotcha.
all right, 9, C, no marquee. 10 was C, 98.9. We got to win a chicken dinner.
Ding, 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 ding.
That gets the double star. The double star.
Oh, that's so weird that we didn't catch that in class. So it looks like there's an answer missing
Ooh.
on the worksheet.
Ooh. Number 11 is A as an apple. 57. Oh, that gets a single star. That's too damn hard.
11 is A.
12 is B as in Bob. 87%, right in the Goldilocks zone. 13 is a B as in Bob. Again, in the Goldilocks zone, barely. 14 is a C as in Charlie. 82%, good enough for me. 15 is A as an apple. Again, close, but no cigar. 16 is C as in Charlie. And same, close, but no cigar. 17 is B as in Bob. Close, but no cigar. And the last one is C as in Charlie. And it is, you got 67. You're missing a lot on this one. So
You
see that? You're missing 17 people missing, didn't answer that last one. But it's still good, right? It's still over 60%.
And I wonder how they got all of these answers.
Okay, that's good for that. All right, so we did number 4. Number 5, highlight distractors, wrong answer choices on the output that have a valid percent. Highlight the distractors, the wrong answers on the output that have a valid percent indicating that the distractor section was too high.
Oh, so I guess we should go back and unhighlight.
No, we're going to highlight with a different color.
Okay.
So the distractor selection, so the wrong answer was too high. Any wrong question that was selected more often than the correct one.
Okay. So
or a 20-point difference in the scale.
Okay, I'm going to put a key for that. So correct answer choice.
All right, I was going to work backwards on this one because number 18.
Okay.
So there's 2 wrong answers, right? A or B.
Oh.
So 20 plus or minus points from the correct answer. So I think both of these are more than 20% difference than the right answer.
A and B?
Yeah, A is only 11%, B is 3%, but the right answer is 67%.
Okay.
So these 2 I'm going to mark with, I'm going to pick aquamarine.
That's what I highlighted the first.
I like aquamarine. Okay, so we're looking for the big percentages. Okay, 17.
Okay, I guess I'm not understanding that.
Okay, so back to number 5.
Percent.
We're going to highlight the questions that were the wrong answers. That's what the distractor means. That it's the wrong answers that has at least a 20% difference than the right answer. So with number 18, the right answer was C, and it had 67%.
Mm-hmm.
So the first wrong answer was A. That was 11%, 12%.
Mm-hmm.
So that's more than a 20% difference.
Oh, from 81.8.
Yeah. Okay. Let me make sure I'm getting this right.
Because I believe he wants us to look at ballot percent.
Okay. More often than the correct answer, or 20% of the selection rate of the correct answer. Oh my God. I wish it was clear to the. Okay. So let's do the first one. So more than 20 points, right?
So neither one of those are more than 20%.
Yeah. Even if you use the valid, right?
Right.
The valid percent, A, is only 14%, where the correct one is 82%, 81.8%.
Mm-hmm.
And B, the correct person, it was only like 4% comparing to the 82%. So both of those are more than 20% different than the answer.
I guess I just don't. That part I'm just lost. I don't understand.
Okay, let's go to 17. So first of all, what was the valid percent for 17?
The ballot percent is 93.5.
Correct. So the wrong answer, the distractor, is C, and its valid percent was 6.5%.
Mm-hmm.
Was that greater than 20%?
No, no, it's not.
20% difference. What's the difference between 93.5 and 6.5?
Oh, well, yeah, that is a big difference. More
Yeah, so I
20%.
think that's what he wants, I think, right? Okay, so the wrong answer selection rate was too high. Any distractor was selected more often than the correct. Oh, that's wrong. It's got to be higher than the right answer.
Or either extremely low. So like the ones that got like a 1%. And this,
Won't even show up.
right. So A didn't show up at all here.
Correct. All right, so back to 18. Undo those. They're not right.
Oh,
Right.
the highlights that we did the first time?
Yeah, so at number 18, those unhighlight those, because we're looking for something where the wrong answer was answered 20 points higher than the right answer.
And we didn't have any on 18.
Nope.
And
But you got one on 17. One of them didn't show up.
right, which was A. And
How you
so,
how you supposed to highlight that if it's not there?
well, you know what? There's that box, the list, the actual item numbers. So we just wrote 17 in the box. I mean, you can't highlight something that's not there.
Oh, right, there it is. Oh, right, you just type it in the box. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so A. So item is too easy. So no, which one is it? Item distractor is too low. That's the one. So number 17A is missing.
Mm-hmm.
And how come that didn't type in there? No.
Oh, you know what? It's so weird. On that worksheet,
Yeah.
you have to highlight it and then choose the color black. For whatever reason, those boxes were whited out, but I think there's answers underneath or something.
Oh my goodness gracious. And then choose a background color, you said?
I just chose a font color.
Oh, there it is. You're right. You were completely correct. All right, so 17A is missing.
Mm-hmm.
And then 16 ABC, right? So none of the wrong ones are 20% higher than the right ones. That one's fine.
And nothing less than or equal to 2%. So
Right, it would be missing if it was.
right.
So the next one, 15. Nope, the wrong ones are not 20% higher than the right one. Nobody missing. 14. Nope, again, nobody 20% higher than the right one. 13 is fine. 12 is fine. 11 is fine as wine. 10 is missing B.
Aha.
So 10B.
And then it has a too easy. That's C. So I put that one in. Oh no, that's not too easy. That's too hard. So I put 11 in that item too hard box.
No, wait a minute, wait. Too hard.
Mm-hmm.
Too hard. No, that was too easy, right? Because it was at an answer rate of greater than 95%. Oh no, that was too easy. Oh my God, I'm losing my freaking brain. Oh shit, I gotta go.
Oh,
I
yeah.
gotta go.
Okay. I'll see you later.
So email me and we'll put together another time.
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
That's too bad. This was just getting interesting.
Right.
All right. Danyelle, email me and we'll set up another appointment.
Sounds good.
Peace.
Bye-bye.